Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can generate AI avatars of yourself for free using AI. The app we're going to be using in this tutorial today is called Remini App. With this Remini app, you'll be able to generate 50 AI avatars of yourself with just one click. So guys, want to know how to do it? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. In this video today, I will also be showing you guys how you can be able to use the AI avatar feature in this Remini app for free. Because not everyone knows how to use the AI avatar for free. What most persons are using is the AI photo feature. But in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to use the AI avatar option in the Remini app. So guys, the first step to take is to open your Remini app. So let me tap on my Remini app right away. So guys, once you open up the app for the first time, this is how the interface is going to look like. The next step that you have to take now is to tap on the AI avatars feature. You can see there on the bottom right corner, you can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, here's the AI avatars feature interface. So guys, before I go on to show you how you can actually use this feature in this Remini app, I want to tell you how you can be able to enable the free trial for this AI avatar. So guys, what most persons are doing when they are signing in for Remini app is that they sign up for free trial under the light mode, under the light version. For you to be able to use this AI avatars feature for free, you have to enable free trial under the pro version of this app. So guys, what you have to do is that when you're trying to enable the free trial under the Remini app, make sure that you enable it under the pro version. Don't use the light version. If you enable the free trial under the light version, this AI avatar, you will not be able to use it for free. The option will be available for you. Even if you see the AI avatar option in your phone, if you tap on it, it will ask you to subscribe with money. So guys, what you have to do is that before you enable free trial, the 7 days free trial in this Remini app, make sure the pro version is chosen. You will see the pro version there. Once you're trying to sign in or enable free trial, you will see the two options for the light version and the pro version, and make sure you choose the weekly plan. They enable the free trial under the pro version. That way you'll be able to use the AI avatar option for free. So guys, that's the trick. So make sure you do it the way I've said it. So guys, now let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can use this AI avatar. With just one click, you'll be able to reproduce or generate 50 AI avatars of yourself. So guys, this is so amazing. Let me show you guys how you can do it, because this is actually tricky. So guys, as you can see here now, these are the AI avatars I've generated of myself. You can see these are so amazing, these are so beautiful, cute and adorable. So guys, you can see them. I've generated so many of them. With just one click, you'll be able to generate 50 AI avatars. So guys, let me show you guys how you can do it. So guys, as you can see here, they're asking me to generate more. If I actually want to generate more, what I have to do now is to tap on generate more. Then more AI avatars of myself will be generated. But I want to show you guys how you can be able to do it from the scratch, how you can be able to train the AI model, how you can be able to upload your pictures and so on. So guys, for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written start from scratch. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see there. Let me zoom in a little bit. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, can see what is written here. Are you sure? Starting from scratch, we delete the previous avatars and you will be asked to upload new photos. That means we asked to upload new photos of yourself for you to actually train the AI model. Let's continue reading. Make sure you saved all the avatars you like before proceeding. So guys, that's not a problem, because I've saved all the AI avatars of myself. I've also saved the avatar video that was generated for me. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on yes. You can see there, yes, start from scratch, where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see this is the starting point. As you can see what is written there, they said pick 8 to 12 photos of yourself. So guys, what you have to do now is to upload 8 to 12 photos of yourself into this AI app. So guys, you can see other things that are written here. You can see the first option, which is good photos. That means they expect good photos of you that has close-up selfies, same subject, variety of backgrounds, expressions and face angles. Then under the bad photos that this app doesn't need, they don't need group photos or group pictures, they don't need small fields that are not visible, they don't need sunglasses and animals. So guys, what you have to do now is to make sure you upload the good photos, which are close-up selfies, same subject. That means the picture must be you, it must be the same person. Variety of backgrounds, that means picture you took from different backgrounds. Then you have to upload pictures with different expressions, with you smiling, with you being angry, and different face angles. So guys, that's how it works. So guys, the next step to take now is to tap on where it is written upload 8 to 12 selfies. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here they are giving us two options. You can either upload your photos from your phone gallery, or you can decide to take pictures using your camera. So let me tap on the first option, which is photo library. So it's going to direct us into our phone gallery. So let me tap on it right away. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has directed us to our phone gallery. So let me go ahead now to choose my images. Let me go ahead to choose my photos. So guys, you can see I've added one, so let me go ahead to add the second one. Let me go back to my photo gallery. Let me tap on my album again. Then let me go over to my downloads. Let me find my pictures. Let me select this one again. So guys can see I've selected the second one. So guys, this is how you can go about selecting your images. So let me go and select the third one. So guys, now you can see I've selected 8 images of myself from my phone gallery. So the next step I have to take now is to tap on next. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see importing photos. The app is importing our photos into this app. So let's just wait for a while. So guys, now you can see the app has fully uploaded our picture. So the next step to take now is to select your gender. Since I'm a male, let me tap on the second option. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step now to take now is to tap on where it is written generate AI avatars. You can see it down below. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see what is written there, creating avatars, ready at about 8:20 AM. You can see what the time is saying at the top. Is saying 8:13 AM. That means in the next 7 minutes now, my AI avatars will be ready. So guys, let's just wait for a while. You can also see what is written down there. When it finishes, you will get 50 images generated for you. Feel free to close the app. You can see what is written down there as well. Notify me when it's done. So let me tap on it. So if I want this app to notify me when it's done generating my AI avatars, what I have to do is to tap on this place which is written notify me when it's done. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see what is written there. You can see that it's loading. Where the arrow is pointing at is written ready at 8:20 AM. So guys, you can see it's still loading. So let me leave it now so that the app can work on my images and generate my AI avatars. So let me wait for a few seconds or a few minutes as it may be. Wow guys, can now see our AI avatars have been generated. 50 AI avatars. Let's get to see them. These images are so beautiful. They are so cute. So guys can see. So guys can see them. Let me keep scrolling downwards so you keep seeing it. So guys can see they are so numerous. So guys, I've come to the end. So guys, for you to actually save any of this AI avatar, what you have to do now is to tap on the image itself. So let me tap on one of it. Let me tap on this one. So guys can see this is the AI avatar. If I actually want to save this now, what I have to do is to tap on where it is written save to gallery. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see saved in gallery. You can see it there. So guys, now let me go back. So guys, that is how you're going to save it individually. But if you want to save all of them at once, what you have to do is to scroll upwards. Let me scroll upwards. As you can see, I'm scrolling upwards. You're going to see where it is written save all. You can see the arrow pointing at it where it is written save all. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Once I tap on it now, all these AI avatars is going to be saved into my phone gallery. So guys, if you notice at the top, you're going to see that it also generated an AI avatar video for us. You can see there the avatar video. For you to actually save the video, what you have to do is to tap on where the arrow is pointing at. You can see it is written save video. Once you tap on it now, this AI avatar video will be saved into your phone gallery. So guys, you can see what is written here as well. You see avatars are stored for 7 days. Remember to save them to your gallery. So these generated AI avatars will be available here in this app for 7 days. So guys, now let me go ahead to save the video. Let me tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see now it's saving. So guys can see saved in gallery. You can see it at the top. So let me go ahead now to save all the AI avatars. So let me tap on where it is written save all. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys can see saving photos. So guys can see now all the AI avatars have been saved into my phone. So guys, if you want to generate more AI avatars, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written generate more. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Once you tap on it, more AI avatars will be generated. So guys, this is how you can actually generate AI avatars using the Remini app. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.